I have a quick tip to share with you today, so let's get started. Today's tip is going to solve this problem right here. Now, a while back, Stampin' Up! Changed their stamp packaging. So when you get a new stamp set, it comes with the stamp images printed over here and the stamps between the two pieces of plastic right here. So I was so smart because this drives me crazy right here. This is the back of my stamp set and I need to be able to see through the back of the stamp set. So I had shared that my solution was to pull this cover out, trim this piece off, and then we can insert the printed images of the stamps onto the left side of the case, right here. And now we'll flip these around so they align. Now we can see through the back of our stamp case and see what's in there. We can see how big those greetings are. We can see exactly what we need to through the back of that case. Now, once you do that, you can pull these stamps off of this plastic sheet, both plastic sheets, and you can actually store them on the inside of your stamp case. And I love doing this because it really does save time. I can just open up my case, pull off the pieces I want, use them, stick them back in place. It works really well until this starts happening. And I haven't had this happen with a lot of sets, but there are a few that these stamps, for whatever reason, if it's because they got maybe a little dusty or dirty or because I've used them so much, they are just all over the place. They do not want to stick to my stamp case where I put them every time I open them, okay? So here is my solution. And it's pretty simple. So the solution is to leave it stuck to either one or both of your clear protector sheets. So here I'll show you option one is to do exactly what I just showed. I cut that piece off. I put the printed image over here on the left side. And if you want to, you can leave your stamps between the clear sleeves. Now, I really like to have mine stay in place. So what I am going to suggest is, leave it like this if you want to be able to pull it out. Or, even better, this is my solution. I like to leave this top one off so that I can pull those stamps off real fast. With this piece I just removed, what I'm going to do is attach a good amount of seal adhesive on the back of this. I tried just doing the corners and that isn't totally holding. So what I want to do is attach this in several places over the back. I'm going to put this right here over that image. And the stamps stick significantly better to this piece than they do to the inside of the stamp case, okay? So they stick really well on there. They are not going to move. These are brand new, so they'll stick pretty well, but they don't stick nearly as well to the actual case. So just by putting that one little layer of clear plastic there, you can store them the same way so that they stay in place. You can see them through the back of your case, but they are not going to fall all over the place and look like this and drive you crazy. So I hope today's tip helped. You can find lots of inspiration using the links in the videos below to go to my blog, check out my other videos. Please like this video and subscribe while you're here. Hope you have a blessed day, and I hope to see you again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.